Preparing for your exams, finding it difficult to remember and recall whatever you have read. Most often, what happens is we do not have perfection in keeping the things or remembering the things in our memory box. The reason we do not recall or we do not have the retention capacity. How can we improve our concentration or retention capacity? There are different techniques and styles of even practicing and improving your retention power. One of the technique is mind mapping. Trust me, this is not going to help you only when you are writing, but also when you are trying to present yourself during the presentation time, during the interview processes, and even when you are interacting on any of the important topics. Mind mapping technique is one of the most important element, or I should say a technique where which you can definitely improve your retention capacity. It talks about the main topic, branches out with the subtopics, then also identifies the keywords with which you can definitely recall. You can try to create an image via which you can present your information, because whatever you are going to speak, it requires an important topic. And once when that important topic is notified or certified, you can check, you can identify the subtopics, and those subtopics can be listed with the help of important keywords. So remember these three, and if you can really apply or create mind mapping technique in your mind to remember or recall all the important points and answers, it is definitely going to help you to improve your thinking capacity. And this is the part of creating the attitude or the positive attitude where which you can present yourself. So apply these, and if you find it difficult, do comment or do share your piece of problem so that I can definitely help you to eliminate it. Happy learning to you all.